Namaskar friends, myself Mukesh Patel naturopath from Nihar Charitable Trust. Today I will quote a home remedy for curing cough, cold and throat infection. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, keep it in a glass of water, boil it for 5 to 7 minutes. Then pour it in a dish and squeeze 8 to 10 drops of lemon in it and drink it when it is lukewarm. Such type of drinking twice a day will be helpful in curing cough, cold, throat infection, and particularly it will paralyze the virus of cough, cold and other type of throat infections. Have a cough and cold free time.